Hey guys, we're here today in Arcadia for this particular tour of home. The address is 217 Laurel Avenue in Arcadia. A little highlights about this home: single family home, 1 story. This is the front entrance we're looking at. This is south facing, so we can actually see the mountain behind that right there. That's the north side. A total of 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms with tops, and the living area is 1744 square foot. Now the lot is 6,000 plus square feet, and it is assigned to a very good school district. It's in the Foothill. Very school district assigned to Highland Elementary School, Foothill Middle School, and of course Arcadia High School. Let me show you a little bit more about the house. Let's go. Once you walk in, the layout is pretty open. Laminate hardwood floor. The interior is newly painted. You see the living area, the open dining room to the kitchen, and we have this additional space for the fireplace that has an additional family room right here. Double French door lead to the backyard and some little sitting area. And of course, a lot of space at the back to entertain your family and your guests. Let me show you the bedrooms. This house has an individual wall unit AC. So in a hot summer, so it's going to be energy efficient because you can just turn on whichever AC unit you like for the particular room. There's 1 bedroom on this side and then 2 more here. This bedroom is south facing. Pretty good size bedroom right here, but this one is not the master. This one is on the street. The suite is down this way. So what do you think? This one is the master bedroom, and that leads to the master bathroom with the double sink, the amenity, and this is another exit door to the backyard as well. So give you a separate entry. Aside from this property, our team has access to homes that you cannot easily find online, including bank-owned properties for sale by owner, distressed homes, and outbreed properties just like this one. To find out more, call us 626-789-0159.